Hi, there's a short video now just about D versus East Berkshire Community Health NHS Trust. This is on the same theme as negligence and the role of duty and actionable damages. I previously addressed the matters regarding the well-known case Donoghue and Stevenson, and also the Grant versus Australian Knitting Mills. In the East Berkshire case, the questions of duty were considered, and in particular reference to what can be actioned and what can't be actioned. The court paid reference to a number of cases where there was no duty owed and hence no action, no successful action possible. These cases were ones, for example, where someone had suffered some sort of harm on a third-party basis, or someone, there's an example given here of a trader who puts another trader out of business through legal competition, and that's not a remedy in law, even though there's not one there, even though the practice, of course, causes injury. So one of the concepts is the damnum, one of these Latin words, versus injuria. So in other words, whether someone has been caused harm without any action that's possible, or someone that's been injured with an action that's possible. Limited duty situations. Consequential, these are consequential actions resulting actions resulting from consequential injury, victim injury. So another case reference: Rothwell versus Chemical and Insulating Company, 2008. There was a plaque, fibrous tissue in the lung that was taken to court, but because it had no ill effects, it wasn't considered an actionable claim. So really that case is just looking more closely at the concept of duty, when duty is owed, when it's not owed, and underlining the idea really that just because you've suffered harm doesn't necessarily mean that you can take a tort action to success, because it will require you to be owed a duty, and that duty must be legally recognised. Just finally, there is some attention paid here to actions against local authorities, breach of convention rights, and also for breach of when the state breaches its obligations, there may be a right to claim under convention rights, and when a public authority breaches its rights, there may be a claim under the Human Rights Act.